My mom is going to kill me right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So finally, again I'm doing my hair coloring at home. I'm so happy. You know, I am wearing my hair coloring t-shirt, and if you have seen my Nykaa haul video, you guys would know I bought this recently, and I bought 3 of the package. Here it is. So this is in the shade purple, and you guys already know I'm obsessed with purple hair at the moment. And last time भी मैंने करने की कोशिश की थी लेकिन हुआ नहीं. मेरा जो bleached hair था वो black में turn हो गया, पता नहीं कैसे. तो इस बार मैं सोची कि streaks try करते, because a lot of people said try this out, it is really good, you should try it. And I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm going to try this out, but I'm extremely nervous because मैंने बाल भी अपने छोटे कर लिए. तो अगर ख़राब हुआ, मुझे कितना छोटा करना पड़ेगा, या फिर मैं ब्लैक ही कर लूँगी, फिर से वो ब्लू डाई लगा दूँगी तो मेरा फिर से बाल ब्लैक हो जाएगा. एनीवे, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रोसेस. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. I am going to open this box and mix the developer and the powder together, and then I'm going to apply this on my hair, and I will also secure them with this foil papers right here. So let's just begin. अरे यहाँ पे तो ब्रश भी दिया है. मैं तो पापा से ब्रश लेके आई यार. कोई बात नहीं. I have a brush right here. Okay, let's see what we get in the package. So this is Shine On conditioner. They have a glove. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix both of them together, like this two, powder and the developer together, and then I will just pre-light my hair, and then I will move on to this. This is the color cream. Okay, so let me just quickly mix this. So I don't have a hair color bowl, so I'm using this normal Miniso bowl. Is it Miniso? I guess Miniso. I just hope this 3 is enough for me. I hope you can see that. So mixing is done. I am going to wear the gloves, and first I'm going to section off my hair. So I have taken like this 2 section. I'm going to color this and then the other one and secure it with the foil paper. I am going to quickly do this side. Okay guys, so my hair bleaching is done. I'm going to keep it for 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off. 30 minutes ke baad I'm going to show you how it looks. Then I'm going to wash it off, and then I will show you guys how I apply the cream developer. And now I'm going to wash my face because bleach thoda lag gaya hai. तो मैं जल्दी जाती हूँ, wash करके आती हूँ. 30 minutes. Now I am going to remove it and see क्या हुआ है इसका. Okay, let's start with this one. It's so brown, guys. Mostly brown है. Oh gosh. Look at this. It has been over 30 minutes and you can see my hair right now. There's little bit of brown as well. Now I am going to wash my hair, apply a little bit of shampoo. This is after the bleach, you guys, and I'm definitely not happy with this. You can see My mom is going to kill me right now. So this is the color. You can see it's too dark, I guess. Alright, it is definitely looking purple. I am going to let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off, just style it and show you guys if it works or not. Alright guys, I am back again. This is the final hair. I have curled up a little bit and this is second day. Yesterday I was feeling very sick, so I had to stop. After I washed my hair, I was not feeling well and I thought, you know what, let's take a break. And I have curled up my hair a little bit and also did this eye look for my Instagram. And coming to the color, I am not that happy because I wanted this to be very vibrant purple, but it is very soft. I think I should have went for 6 packages, 5 to 6 packages. And yeah, bleach थोड़ा कम हो गया था, इसके वजह से मैंने थोड़ा करके अप्लाई किया एंड प्री-लाइट उतना अच्छा से नहीं हुआ. जितना आपका अच्छा प्री-लाइट होगा उतना अच्छा कलर बैठेगा. सो it's not wrong, like the product is not wrong, it's something which I did wrong. Anyway, I really like it. Even now it is looking good, but I'm not that satisfied. लेकिन अगर आप करना चाहते हो घर पे तो you can definitely try the Strix hair color. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you like my hair, give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.